Morning. How'd you do? Alright, so we managed to get through the entire night in our tent out here in our backyard. The only hang-ups that we had were the sleeping bag touched the edge of the tent, so the sleeping bag got wet up at the head, at the feet. It's not too bad. The condensation in here wasn't as bad as most of the other tents that I've had. But, I mean, yeah, you still got a little bit of condensation. It's gonna happen. You'll have to find a means of reducing that. So, did you get cold?
A little bit.
A little bit. Would you do it again?
Sleeping on here again tonight?
Not tonight, but would you sleep outside in the tent when it's cold again? Would you do it in a shelter that you built?
The shelter's dead.
Honey, you haven't built a shelter yet. Would you sleep outside in a shelter that you built?
Mm-hmm.
When do you want to do that?
Out in the woods.
Out in the woods? I think we can manage that. So for right now, it's a little after 9, almost 9:30. Yep. We have to get ourselves up and get in the house and eat. We have a door going in today. Yeah. Alright, guys.
Bye-bye.
Good morning and goodbye. Later. Say bye.
Bye.